Welcome back. You're still with us on Startup Street. Electric motorcycle startup Matter is expected to commence deliveries of its debut product Aera from next quarter. Now, the company is also planning to raise funds in the new financial year and will also be enhancing its production capacity. My colleague Daanish Anand exclusively spoke to Mohal Lal, bhai, the CEO and founder of Matter, about the company's rollout plan, expansion and future growth roadmap. Take a look.
You made an announcement some time back about your entire electric motorcycle portfolio. When can we expect the deliveries to begin? And sir, as far as the orders are concerned, what sort of interest did it generate?
So we are expected to start rolling out our product from the next quarter. And as far as the interest is concerned, when we did our pre-bookings in May, we were overwhelmed with the response that we got. We clocked close to 40,000 bookings in under a month.
Sir, you talked about your production capacity and it has almost reached, the bookings have reached your production capacity numbers. But going down further, how do you plan to enhance this capacity? What are the targets of capacity expansion?
So currently we are at 60,000 per year capacity. We are already in the process of ramping that up to 120,000. And in about 2 years from now, we are looking at starting the million EVs a year plant.
Where do you see your company? What valuation are you expecting in the coming few years? Any targets of valuation in the new financial year?
So, more than the valuation, I think in the next 5 years or 5 years from today, we would be doing close to $2 billion in business. This would be across India, South Asia and the Middle East, and that's where our true targets are focused on.
Companies like Ola and a company like Royal Enfield have also announced that they would be getting into the electric motorcycle segment. So what do you have to say about the competition? How would you really compete in the ever-crowding market?
So I always believe some competition is healthy, and considering that India sells close to 12 to 14 million motorcycles every year, I don't think this is one winner-takes-all approach. There will be segments and sub-segments, and for us, where we are clearly playing is between the 100 to 200 cc place.
Do you plan to raise some more funds in the coming few quarters? And when do you plan to become a unicorn?
We are gonna be raising capital post deliveries have happened. We have seen significant support coming in from India and the Middle East in terms of institutions and family offices. And that continued support is going to really get us to meet our targets in the near future.
How many rounds of fresh funding can we expect in the new financial year?
In the new financial year, it's going to be one round of funding in the next financial year. And overall, I think we would be looking at a couple of more rounds of funding before we start talking about IPO.